Preschool busy book. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spiders. Preschool busy book. Numbers. 1 pineapple. 1, 2 cherries. 1, 2, 3 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blackberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 eggplants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bananas. Let's learn sizes from short to tall. The shortest one is a pencil sharpener. What's the next one? The next one is the pink marker. And what's the next one? The pencil. Uh-oh. No, that's not right. It's the scissors. And the next one is the pencil. And the tallest one is the ruler. Yay! Good job, everyone!